Welcome, in front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434 and in this video I will show you how to enable power saving mode on this laptop. To enable power saving mode on your laptop, you have to tap on the control center to open it, then click on battery status, which you see right here. And then to enable the power saving mode, you have to switch this toggle to the right, but you will be unable to do this unless you unplug your device from the power source. Once you unplug your device from the power source, you can enable the battery saver by switching this toggle to the right. And to disable power saving mode, just switch it back to the left. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.